Good morning from the beautiful port of Amber Cove. This sunrise this morning has been absolutely beautiful. We are so stoked to be back here. We were here about a year and a half ago. We have a lot planned today. We're going to be doing some paddle boarding. We're going to a private beach, but just soaking these views. So in the Dominican Republic right now, you actually have to have your mask on indoors and outdoors. But I'm fine with that because this country is absolutely beautiful. And you can definitely tell our ship's capacity is low because every port we've been to, it's been super smooth getting off. So our excursion today was La Casa and La Playa, and it was more of just a chill beach day, so I didn't really feel like filming too much. But right now we're headed to the front of the ship to film the sunset. So we're actually headed to the secret deck. I'm pretty sure most people know about it right now, but here we go. Just walk right through here, open the big sketchy door. And here we are. Well, that's it for sunset. I'll see you guys at the second sea day tomorrow, and unfortunately, our final day. Good morning from our last sea day and last day of the cruise. Unfortunately, this cruise is coming to an end, but this has been such an incredible cruise. 60% capacity on the ship. We'll never have another sailing like this. However, we do have some awesome cruises coming up. On February 26th, we depart from Port Carnival on a 7-day cruise on the Carnival Mardis Gras. Can't wait. I'm going to have another vlog series for that. And then later in July of 2022, we are going on the Odyssey of the Seas out of Rome and hitting the Greek Isles. So if you guys like these videos, please like and subscribe because there are plenty more adventures to be had. Thank you guys for coming along. Adventure on. So we're back up at the Serenity deck on another sea day, and it's past 11 o'clock in the morning, and it's still like Serenity is all ours. Like, there's nobody up here. This has been absolutely wonderful. Figured might as well hit the water slide since there's no line for it. man, this one's awesome. It's so fast. So I had to cut that video short because Carnival actually told me that I wasn't allowed to bring the GoPro down, but the lady was nice enough to let me. So I'm not sure why I didn't say that we were going to do the sky course on this ship. We did end up doing the sky course. It was right after I went down the water slide. We went back, changed. You got to wear a shirt, you got to wear shoes, obviously, for safety reasons. But the last time we did the sky course was on the Carnival Magic, and we did it in port. We actually did it at Amber Cove. So this time we wanted to do it out at sea, and it ended up being really windy, which made it absolutely awesome. It was a pretty easy sky course, but still, it was a lot of fun. Just like that, we're watching one final sunset from our balcony on the Carnival Horizon. And I really appreciate you guys coming along on the adventure. I hope you stick along for more in the future because these videos are just getting started.